Nintendo Switch video recording using Hagibis capture card. Unboxing. Connect the USB to your Switch. Connect HDMI cable from your monitor or TV. Connect USB-C cable to your laptop or PC. Plug the power adapter and charge the capture card. Open OBS software. Add video capture device. Select Hagibis. Check custom audio device. Select audio from Hagibis. Go to video capture device and select monitor and output. Go to setting and select your output video resolution and FPS. Select the location of output video and video format. Add video capture device and select cam video or external camera. Resize and position your video. You can start recording. Enjoy!